This. I got done what I could get done during the break. So there are 17 total problems. We are going to right now do 14 and 15. I believe we left off on there, on 13. All right. Now, I don't know if you still have the problem from number 13, but 14 is almost identical. So just in case you don't, all right, I'm going to change my store and get it up there for you. And once again, this is moved where, so I've got to find where the doggone, oh my goodness. Okay. All right, can you now see my window, my PHP, my admin window?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So here is the answer for number 14 is a two-parter. So there's the first part. And the big difference is you want it not equal to 4. So I'll let you put that in. And then let me know once you've got that and you run it.
Okay, mine works.
Right. And just so you know, you should get, come on. I don't know why this thing does that, but it locks up sometime. There we go. I got 3,314. Keegan, again, you will probably get a different number of records. Totally fine. There's the query. For the second part, as he's trimming outside of my window, for the second part, just change this not equal to. The other way you can do that is like this. So you'll have that in there twice. One with the exclamation point equal sign, one with the less than sign followed by the greater than sign. And let me know when you have that. Please copy both of them to number 14 on your worksheet.
Okay, I'm done.
All right. Keegan, did yours work?
I'm still trying to do the first one.
All right.
I'm not sure what it is I'm doing wrong because I'm pulling all this stuff off the worksheet, but it's giving me all kinds of errors every time I do it. So
Okay. Well, again, if you want, like I told Angie before, just if you send me a few of them, that's okay. You know, if you got errors, we'll get them fixed. All right. And then what I'm going to ask is, I'm going to send you the answers for 16 and for 17. We're going to do 15 right now. And then I'm going to ask that by Monday, when we start class, that you try to have everything finished. Does that make sense to both of you?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Again, I'll give you 16 and 17, so don't worry about those. And any questions, anything that comes up incorrect, like I said, take a picture of it and just send it to me, and I'll get it back to you. Literally, I'll try to turn it around as soon as I possibly can. All right, here's number 15. And I know this one, it should work at least. I tried it before the break. Let me double check. And it works. My dog wants to go out there and play with the guy cutting the lawn. So that's if you hear any screeching in the back, that's the screeching that you're hearing. She has no idea why the guy who cuts the lawn does not want to play with her. So. All right. If you get that far, there's only one more line in it, so let me know when you get there. It's just the last one is just ordered by, and it's ordered by E.employee ID, OD.order detail quoted price description or descending order. All right. And again, Keegan, you might have cascading errors where if you're doing something wrong on one of them, if you're doing any copy and paste, they might just be, you know, going to the next one. And I'll tell you what I'll do is I'll send you not just 16 and 17, I'll send you my key. And then you can go back and take a look at anything that you've done. And if there's any discrepancies, you can try to fix them. All right. And then, like I said, by the end of the day today, I don't know when I'm going to do this, but I'm going to try to grab the second worksheet of these and clean it up, make sure it all works, send it out to you. And then, like I said, we'll start up an hour later on Monday. So Monday we'll start up at 9:05 and see how much you can get done by then. All right. Keegan, are you still experiencing problems?
No, I'm good on this one.
All right. So that's all I wanted to go through right now. Like I said, I'll show you this real quick just so you see it. I'm going to send this to you, so don't worry about writing anything. But number 16, I asked you to do it two ways. Well, if you look, we're combining stuff from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different tables. So there's a lot of information in there. And we're doing it two different ways. All right, so I'll give you that. And then number 17, you may or may not have heard of this term before. When you were in junior high or whatever, did you ever, in your math class, did you ever do Venn diagrams?
Yes.
Those ring any bells? Keegan, did those ring any bells for you?
Yeah.
Well, if you had two different circles and one circle was partially inside of the other one, where they met, that's the intersection. But if you took what was in both circles and combined it together, that was a union. So what we're doing here, and I don't know, can you see my Word document here?
Yeah.
Okay. What we're doing here is we're combining all the customer information with the employee information. So this one actually should work, but I've got to change all these from cust to customer and all these from emp to employee. I don't feel like doing that right now, but I will do it and I'll send it to you. So like I said, unless you guys have any questions, that's what I had for today. We did a lot. Hopefully you feel like we did a lot. Hopefully it's making a little bit more sense to you. Like I said, I will send out a second one of these. It should be in your email by the end of the day. You don't have to work on it this weekend. All right, but I'll give you the first hour of class. I don't expect it to be done in that hour, but I expect you to start making an attempt at getting it done. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Then tell somebody to have a good a nice Good Friday or happy Good Friday, but have a nice 3-day weekend, and I will talk to you on Monday.
Thanks. You too.
Thank you.